Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tomorrow News. I am Carlos Flores,
And I'm Paula Rojas.
broadcasting the most recent mysterious events of the world. The present day, we have the report of an important advance in the field of artificial intelligence. This information was given by the social network enterprise known as Facebook.
According to the researchers of the Facebook division known as Facebook Artificial Intelligence Researchers, or FAIR, have discovered that two of their bot or dialogue agents might have created their own language. The two bots involved in this anomaly are Bob and Alice.
Based on what the investigators said, the intelligences were left freely with the purpose of fortifying their dialogue skills. What they couldn't have imagined is that the bots, with enough time, leaked out the English language and created their own way of communication. Without any kind of human intervention, the software created its own language.
To know more about details of these events, we have our reporter Santiago Prieto interviewing one of the scientists in charge of the project performance. Santiago, what can you tell us about it?
Good morning, Carlos and Paula. Today we have an important character about this strange case. Erika Martinez accompanies us from your testing lab in USA.
Hello, Erika Martinez. What can you tell us about the development of the robotics in the present day?
Hello, Santiago and viewers. Since 1950, in the world of the robotic is used the test of Turing, which is used to test the ability of a machine to produce a smart behavior, similar or a human being. Since then, he has been a mechanism regularly employed to check how capable is a robot to mimic the behavior of a human, as well as interact in their everyday environment.
Happened with Bob and Alice.
Alice had a strange behavior because began to communicate between them although the dialogue was not consistent. My team and I assumed that it was a language because we were able to identify in him recurring patterns and signs of an attempt by robots to use abbreviations.
Of the robots could be due a systematic failure.
First, we thought that this was a systematic fault until in the code we could identify between the two roles were understood perfectly.
Does this fault put a humanity at risk?
Viewers, that this was the demonstration that they are superior to us.
Could be robots be communicating with each other through code?
That I cannot answer with any certainty because it can be a glitch as when you log your cell phone, or it may be that robots are already in the capacity to create a new language that humans cannot understand, even if this sounds spooky.
What solution did you give to this creepy problem?
Decided to disconnect Bob and Alice. Indefinitely since the original principle of robots is to communicate with people, not among them, hoping to identify if that was a human error or was the real principle of a possible robot conquest.
This should be one of the most curious and strange cases happening today. The robots might be planning to attack the humanity, but they can be stronger than us. In the last century, we may have been vulnerable to such an attack, but now we could be the winners in a possible cyber war. It is all in information. Let's go back to the studio.
Thanks, Santiago. And as we could hear, this fact is amazing as terrifying, but fortunately, the bots were deactivated, so the probability of a future for machine controllers is low. What do you think, Carlos?
Well, in fact, it must have been a surprise to the scientists that were leading to the project. However, this is useful as a lesson. We still don't have the control of our creations, of ourselves. If we want to make a real change in the history of mankind, the beginning is not in technological advances, it is in our culture, behavior, the way we think. For this time, we must have left behaviors like envy, selfishness, indifference towards the people around us. We are a society, and to improve the technological research, we should better improve ourselves.
That was really nice, Carlos. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.
Goodbye.